Well, we've arrived at day and it's a cloudy day and thunderstorms, so we'll see what they're doing this morning. Yeah, it seems like they're all in there and they haven't gone out yet. That's good, that means they're making honey cells. Looking on the sides. A couple in there. And around here. There's a few there, but they're not sort of not sort of really active as such. They're just sort of they are, I suppose. But not like if it was a bright sunny day. I don't know what they're doing in there, they're crawling around on the glass, but yeah, that's activity, I suppose, isn't it? Down here there's even more. Thunder this morning. We're the first real test of the solar system since it's been in, because there's known to be no sun, not at least not this morning anyway. Anyway, this is good. I'm excited about what I'm seeing. Yep, that's quite busy in there. Not so much in that one, but very much in the centre one, which is where they always start from, I suppose. So there you go.